my friends. I'm Lisa. Welcome to my miniature house. Halloween is coming soon. Are you prepared anything?
Trick or treat! So delicious!
In this Halloween, I'm dressing up as the coolest witch. And now, I will show you how to make an amazing Hello Kitty Halloween miniature house with poison pumpkin pie.
Wow!
Witches also need rest, right? So I make a cute bed with Hello Kitty headboard. Orange is the best color for this holiday. Mattress will be so soft with lots of cotton inside. Cover with cloth, and we need to cut off all the excess. Use scissors carefully to avoid injury. Now we need a nice blanket. I choose yellow. It looks suitable for the bed. I will decorate it with lace around it. Create a folded hem like this. Attach more sparkle chain around the lace. So cute!
Hey!
Can you help me sketch the headboard?
Okay! It's done!
Thank you! More little magic. I need a bigger one. Perfect! Use white clay to wrap around the cardboard. We will use white glue to create a fur surface for Hello Kitty headboard. Use a brush to spread the glue evenly. And put a thin layer of cotton on top. That's it. Black clay to make eyes. Big bling eyes. Yellow nose. And beards too. Cute witchy hat. Don't forget this lovely pal. A little pink sheep. So lovely headboard. There will be a small tunnel at the end of the bed. You will have to go through there to meet the witch. Even a spike fence.
Wow!
Do you want one like that?
Ooh, what's this? Woohoo! Looks so beautiful! It's time to sleep.
There.
Hey, wake up! That's true me! Let's go! I come to you! Hello, my monster!
Okay!
Good for you! Bon appetite! Bye-bye!
Lots of candy. Halloween candy first. I pop in gummies. A brain. Foot. Bang. And a hand. Also marshmallow. And jelly too. So delicious. Uh-oh. She was so full, couldn't eat anymore. There's still a lot of candy. I make a kitchen so we can keep the candy there. And cook some more dishes. Kitchen cabinet first. Purple is also a great choice. I use plastic knife to create simple pattern for cabinet door. Add a tiny knob. And the oven in the middle. It's not done yet. We need a kitchen table on top. Mix white and purple clay. Spread evenly on the cardboard sheet. With purple border and more emphasis. A simple gas stove. The stove is there, we will need a small pot. I will make a special pot lid with shape of a witch's hat. Need some potions here. Red, green and blue one. We need to prepare according to the correct formula. A little green potion. Some bones. And some rare wood. I'm curious about what kind of potion we get. Add a few kitchen utensils. The kitchen doesn't have chairs yet. Let's do it now. Paint the chair legs with dark red. Decorate a little bit. Have you seen such a lovely chair? It's Halloween. Pumpkin cake is indispensable. Spider webs as carpet.
Wow, that's amazing!
A big pumpkin.
Great!
Put it here to decorate. It's not done yet. Needs more decoration. A big eyes. 2 red devil horns. And fangs. Wings too. Woohoo! The cutest bat I've ever seen. Put some eyeball gummies here.
Trick or treat!
Here you are.
Uh-oh.
Woohoo! Everyone has candies.
Thank you.
Excellent!
Finally, a gorgeous living room will complete this house. Sparkle black chain. It's black cat sofa. And pink, of course. 4 tiny bead legs. Cushion seats. More details.
Yeah!
Make a small round table. With black lace border. And 2 stools.
Happy Halloween!
It's done! My Halloween witchy miniature house is completed. Time to take a tour around. I know you also have a lot of great ideas. Share with me. I'm very curious about your own house.
Oh, hello there! Let's Halloween party! What do you want to transform into this Halloween? So much candies here! Can I eat all this candy?